Hello, this is Rajesh Pathak. Today I will discuss about the difference between calculated fields and calculated items. In a pivot table, we can use custom formulas to create calculated fields and calculated items. Fields are the column headings in source data. Items are the items under each column heading. Calculated fields are formulas that can refer to fields in the pivot table. Calculated items, on the other hand, are formulas that can refer to items within a specific pivot field. By creating a calculated item, we add an item only in the pivot table, not in the source data. Also, calculated items don't become part of pivot table fields. But calculated fields, on the other hand, become part of pivot table fields. These were the major differences between calculated field and calculated item. This video tutorial is part of the course Data Analysis with Advanced Pivot Table. Please visit my website www.specialskills.in to know more about the courses I offer.